Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit our website www.ngobo2010shopi.com. Hey, tada. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at Moses Mabhida Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1, my brother. Kunjani mfethu?
Siyaphila kunjani Msinqobo?
Danke futhi.
Yeah.
Khona okuthize ofuna ukusho?
I wanna wish Kaizer Chiefs well and congratulations. You deserve this. You played well and tactically you outplayed me and you deserve this cup. Well done, Kosi. You're the best. Kosi, we've always known you and we'll always respect you. But the Kings of Soweto is still us. We've got 5, you all have 1. So I love you.
Still Orlando Pirates.
I love you.
Thank you. Number 1. Thank you so much. And then your response to that. Come closer, don't go.
Yeah, let me talk my language now.
No problem.
For me, I said thank you, bra. So they give us opportunity today. Likipe uban umakaola. After you take Makaola out, Sakululek. Said no, we win now. After 10 years and 7 days. Thank you, Kosi, for life.
Let's come on.
Let's come. Yes. What I say, yeah, you're relaxed.
Such mistakes do happen. And unfortunately, I'm in pain.
Yeah.
I can't lie to you.
Good luck.
I'm in pain.
It's understandable.
Well done,
I mean, you love your team.
I'm Pirates. I come all the way from Joburg.
It's understandable.
I come all the way from Joburg and
Harris Smith, Montrose.
everything.
Now we come from Limpopo, so Limpopo, and we drive 100 km to come
I'll
here.
be frank with you, my brother.
100 km from
It can be 100 cases.
1,000.
More than
that. From
more than 100 cases.
Even cause na Kaizer Mtown ne ba lose fast.
Oh yeah.
But okay, it's fine. Ergo for 3 points. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.